Hi there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can insert a checkbox in Google Sheets. So let's get started. This is really easy and quick. So the first thing that you will do once you're on your Google Sheet file is you will of course have to highlight the cells that you want check boxes on. So for example, this one and this one and this one. So you could actually select multiple cells. So once you're here, you will just have to click insert and then you will look for tick backs or check backs. It really depends on the terminology that your version has. So go ahead and click that as well and wait for it to load. So as you can see, Google Sheet instantly added this check boxes. So yeah, that's basically how you do it. And I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.